And rumor has it that there's dozens of untouched ancient Native American archaeological sites in this canyon which we can explore. I heard one person call this hike an open air museum. Look at this. Oh wow. Look at Anasazi Indians drew this. Look at all these drawings. This is quite a view to have in your living room. Look at this. My clock says the sun's gonna set in 20 minutes and it's gonna get so dark and cold in here. Oh, I've been looking forward to a hot meal all day. But man, I want to go to sleep.